Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get into unboxing some Princetown Leather Gucci slippers. So just so you know, I tied the bow on the packaging, and also I've already looked at the shoes before I shot this video. However, this is everything and how it is when you open it, just a few minor details that are not on here. So hope you like. So one of the things with these shoes is that the back is very slippery. I wonder if once I start walking in them that it's going to get some type of grip. However, it has a little grip part right here. However, I love these shoes, but that kind of scares me. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me. Thank you.